In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delay or schedule emails in Microsoft Outlook. This is a really useful feature when you want to write an email now, but have it sent later at a more appropriate time. For example, you might want to prepare a message after hours, schedule a follow-up for the next morning, or make sure your email arrives on a specific day. Outlook makes this process simple once you know where to look. To get started, open Outlook and go to your inbox. This is the main mail view where you can access your messages and create a new one. Once you're there, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on New Email. That will open a fresh email draft. Now go ahead and fill out all of your email information. Add your recipient, write your subject line, and type the message you want to send. It's a good idea to review everything carefully at this stage, because this is the version of the email that Outlook will send later. Make sure the content, attachments, and wording are exactly how you want them before scheduling it. When your email is ready, find the send button. Instead of clicking send right away, click the drop-down arrow next to it. This opens additional sending options. From that menu, choose schedule send. This tells Outlook that you want to send the email at a later time rather than immediately. After that, click on Customize Time. This option allows you to choose the exact date and time for your scheduled message, which gives you more control than using a preset suggestion. Next, click on the Select a Date field and choose the day you want the email to be sent. After selecting the date, click on the Select a Time dropdown and choose the time you want. Try to pick a time that makes sense for the recipient, especially if you're sending something important or time sensitive. Once you've selected both the date and the time, the final step is to click send. Even though you're clicking send now, Outlook will hold the email and release it automatically at the scheduled time you selected. And that's it. Your email is now scheduled in Outlook. This can help you stay organized, communicate more professionally, and plan ahead without needing to remember to send messages manually later. If you use email often, this is definitely one of those small features that can make a big difference in your workflow.